Welcome back everybody. Today we're going to talk about a coin we took in our trading group and it's exploding right now. It's Chromia CHR. It's an RWA coin, real world asset, which is a narrative that is exploding. I'm going to take you through the reasoning of why we took this trade and how we are managing it right now. Thank you very much for coming and let's dive right into it. So Chromia, all right, this is the crypto rank page. As you can see, it's at 40 cents right now. We entered it at around 29 cents and I will show you in a second. You can see this is ranking 189. Now, you know me. If you watch my videos, you know how much I like under followed assets. Assets that are not in page one of all the ranking, websites, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, CryptoRank, doesn't matter what you like to use. Page 2 and on is where the juice is. That's where the big movers are. Not the big caps, the big movers are. You want assets that will move fast. And the more underfollowed an asset is when you enter it, the more it can explode later on once it gets noticed, right? So that's why I love underfollowed assets. And if you don't know this about me, you have not watched any of my videos, this is time to subscribe to my channel. So click that subscribe and put that bell notification because hey, my videos are quite good. Anyways, Chromia, I told you it's a real world asset and it's kind of exploding, all right? So many subcategories, people can say smart contract, whatever, KuCoin Spotlight, blah, 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 whatever. But this is really a real world asset. And I will take you through, let's see the website for just 1 second. You see what I mean? Look, even over here, introducing our real world assets protocol, right? So this is the protocol, the relational blockchain platform that makes sense. Whatever the website, it's about selling their services. So the website looks quite good and it's fair enough. Look, real world assets, that's just the buzzword we need, the buzzword that we need. Now, anyway, this is good. The chart I'm going to show you in just 1 second. I want to go through some more metrics. So it's a market cap of 300 million. So it's medium size, medium to kind of getting to large, but I would say medium. The fully diluted is 400 million. So most of, the supply is already circulating. That's always good. Circulating supply that is out, all right, meaning that you have small circulating supply means that in the future when new coins will be introduced to the market, they can behave and act like overhead supply. What is overhead supply? Overhead supply means people that want to sell on your head, and it reduces the price down. And once we take a position to the long side, we actually want it to go up. So it's a good thing. We have almost 80% of circulating supply up. We have an unlock in 12 days. Only 0.5% is going to be unlocked. Anyway, CoinGecko made a big research about how coins that are less than 1.5%, less than 2.5% of circulating supply will be unlocked. It doesn't affect the price. Only if it's above it, it affects price. So this is below it, so it won't affect price as per the statistics, all right? Anyways, everything here is kind of looking good. Statistics and technicals and fundamentals, they all align. And we have the juicy, fundamental type narrative, which is the real world assets. Let's go to the chart and see why exactly do we get in the trade as we got and how we're going to manage it. So this is it. This is the chart. As you can see, Chromia over here. And look, I'm gonna reiterate it as I do on every video that I make. Why do we enter assets? Easy, same thing over and over, because they show momentum. How do they show momentum? I will show you, all right? I will tell you. So they make a big move. Let's say we measure from over here to over here. So they make a fast move of at least, all right? And you can measure it from over here to over here. It's 100%, almost 100%. So we want around 100% in less than 30 days. Let's see how long did it take. It took 12 days. You can say it took 16 days, 17 days. So roughly 100% in less than 30 days. That is the first characteristics of what we are looking at. And you can arguably say that it's more than 100% if you measure from here, because if you want to measure 30 days, that doesn't matter. So first of all, we had that up move, right? So that's what we're looking for. Second of all, I want to see the digestion of profit. So I want to see price going sideways. I call this a base, all right? Why I want to see it go sideways? Because I want to see that the selling pressure that after a big move, after 100% move in less than 30 days, arguably it's a good move, right? Arguably, I'm sure you agree with me. So after a good move like this, I want to see how the asset acts if it digests profits well, right? Now, if it will just do something like this, and let me just paint, let's say it goes up and then all the way down, is this a good digestion of profit? No, it's bad, right? This is not what you want to see. But if it goes up, all right, and then falls down, but then buys again, falls down, buys again, and does a sideways movement, right, for with peak to trough, 20-30%, up to 50 or 60% is okay, but preferably the less the better. So let's say 20-30% or something, or 40%, all right, and then go sideways, building a base. That means that there is a nice digestion of profits, and not only the sellers are dominating, but there are buyers trying to keep the price on some levels, right? There is a support, right? There is buying coming to the market at certain levels, making sure that we don't get this boom and bust, but we get that boom and sideways action that is creating a platform for potential continuation, right? So this is the base. Usually I like to see a base of around 60 days, but anywhere from 2 weeks, all right, 10 to 14 days, up to 200 days, all good, right? So this is 34 days. This is good. And then what I wanted to see is a breakout, right? A breakout. And we took the breakout just above over here, right? But we took it over here, of course. This was our entry, the 29.61, as I told you. And since then, it moved in earnest very well, with today being the major move, all right, since our breakout. So we had this breakout and we actually went to 45, almost 50% overall. Now we're a bit less, but this should continue, and we are taking profits now into strength and so on. Now, a thing that helped me as well understand that the breakout is good is this volume. Look at the volume that came in at the same day of this breakout, the day that we took the trade, all right. I saw this big, massive breakout on volume. So you can see that it actually went up 300%, all right? 300% increase in volume. That's substantial. That tells you that something is happening in CHR that you want to partake in. So if you took a breakout and you don't see this big volume in, maybe the breakout won't work. But when you see big volume coming in, that means something, right? So this is the reason why we took Chromia, why we stick to it after this first natural reaction, and why we're still sticking to it, even though we're taking profits already into strength. We had at least half of the position already sold into strength, and we have still half running. And of course, this is a money-making machine. Probably will go and we'll get out of this trade 50, 60, 70. The last sell orders we have at 100%, and then we're out. Of course, maybe it won't get there, but it doesn't matter because we are already in profit. We're already in a profitable trade. Doesn't matter what happens now. This is already a profitable trade because we took profits into strength. And just to make sure that maybe you think I'm lying over here, that this is not a trade I took, I'm going to show you. This is the trade. As you can see, jomosuperperformer. You can see this is from a trading view, 6th of February. This is when I posted it, of course. This is what I wrote about it. This is the setup, as I told you. And I told them to take the breakout above the 29.76. So right above over here. So this is the setup, right? This is called a setup because that's how it's called. A setup is when I publish, all right, a signal. You could call it a signal. For me, it's a setup, and that's how it's called in trading. That's it. And this is it. Hey, and if you like these type of setups and you want to get more of this from me, just easy, all right? What you just need to do is click on the link in the description or in the first comment, and you will go to my website. This is the website. As you can see, already 437 posts, and I post quite a bit. You can choose any tier. Look, if you don't have a lot of time, you have work, you have a family, but you want to make sure that you get setups, right, signals to you, and you want to make money with me, and as well get market updates, videos to you, right, to watch them, to hear what kind of thoughts I'm having about the market, which are very profound and very deep because I go deep into the analysis. Hey, choose the Alpha Trader, right? For 2 hamburgers a month, you get invaluable knowledge and signals. One good signal and you will make more money to pay this for 3 years. So it's peanuts for you, right? If you are more of a kind of person that wants to go full-time trading, or you're already full-time trading and you want to improve, hey, take the Pro Trader. You get daily updates, as well as once a month we get on the phone for an hour, 2 hours, whatever you need, for us to discuss your trading and to make sure that you are improving. And as well, if you want to go to really top, to our accelerator type, where I go deep into one call a week and we actually have a plan to improve, take the top trader. But you could just start with alpha trader and test me out. That's whatever you want to do. And hey, look, we have here private market updates, we have here Blur, right? We have here ARB, we have here more and more trades and updates that I create, and lessons, of course, right, that I create for you on our website, anyways. So hey, just, try me out. I assure you that you won't be disappointed. Just one trade like this, and you already can pay me for 2-3 years. Why not? It's peanuts. Come on, jump in. And if you don't, at least subscribe to this channel, like this video, and you know what? Click that bell notification. And if you will, leave me a comment telling me about CHR, if you took it, if not, and if you do want to see more videos just like CHR, tell me about it in the comment section. Ciao, everybody. Until next time, no edge, no trade.